how to fix Gmail not receiving email issue. So what we have to do is simply log in into our Gmail, and after logging in into our Gmail, we can simply go in our home section, and there we can click on the more, and there we can go on spam. If we have any spam mails, then it might occur this problem that we won't be receive any emails, and that is the first thing that happens. So make sure that there is no spam messages, and we can go in our drive. Simply search for drive and go in our home section, and after going in our home, we have to make sure that there is space available in our drive and in our mail. And so that is the thing that we can do. The next thing is if we have no space, we can simply clear our space by going in our Gmail and simply clicking all of the unwanted Gmails, and simply we can simply delete these unwanted Gmails. Here I'm deleting some of mine, so we can be able to create a space so that we can receive our emails easily. And the next thing that we can do is we can go in our settings here, and we can simply click on our see all settings option, and there we will go in our filter and blocked address. So after going in there, we have to make sure that there is no filter emails available there, and after that we will click on forwarding and POM and IPAM. So we have to make sure to enable this option called enable POP for all mail, POP enable IMAP. So we have to enable it, and we can save the changes, and after saving these changes, we will simply be able to solve our Gmail not receiving email issue easily.